So, how many players are there in a kabaddi team? You mentioned you do basic stitching.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you stitch? You want to join Indian Air Force?
Yes, sir.
Who is the chief of Indian Air Force? Now, tell me, why do you want to join Indian Air Force?
I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind. Please have a seat, lady.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, Preeti, you had your lunch today.
Yes, sir.
What you had?
Sir, it's biryani.
Okay. How
Veg
was it?
biryani, sir. Sir, it was good, but I usually didn't eat biryani.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me any 5 famous places of Hanumangarh.
Sir, first one is the Batner Fort, and second one, sir, Gogamedi, Gogamedi Temple, Gogaji Maharaj Temple.
Okay.
And third one, sir, Kalibanga.
Okay.
So, sir, it is a Indus Valley civilization site in Hanumangarh.
Okay.
Sir. And I remember.
Okay. Fine. Lady, I have your PIQ form. I have basic information about you, your family, and your career goals.
Yes.
Tell me how much percentage you have scored in your 10th, 12th, and graduation, and which stream you have opted after your 10th. Also, tell me what is your favorite subject and why, and the subject you did not like and why. Tell me who is your favorite teacher and why, and the teacher you did not like and why. And what all competitive exams you have given after your 12th, and what rank you have secured in that. You may start.
Sir, I scored 75.40% in 10th and
Okay.
76.20% in 12th with PCM and 66% in graduation with BA. And English was my favorite subject.
Okay.
As it was not a very good subject, sir, but because it helps me to communicate with people. Uh, so, sir, I like English.
Okay.
And all teachers are my favorite teachers. There is no teacher mm, whom I don't like, but Mukesh sir that taught us English was my favorite teacher because there was there was available every time when I need his help. And shall I stand person?
Who's your best friend and why?
Sir, Neha and Twinkle are my best friends.
Okay.
I have many friends, but Neha and Twinkle are best friends because sir, they are very honest.
Mhm.
They told me my weaknesses and they support me whenever I need them
Okay.
in my studies also, and they help me to stay in discipline.
Okay.
Yes.
And what all competitive exams you have given after your 12th?
Sir, I have given uh, Dilip Police Constable
Uh-huh.
and SSC CHSL.
Okay.
I cleared Delhi Police Constable exam, but unfortunately I did not qualify physical examination due to uh, leg injuries.
Okay.
So,
And how many times you have given FCAT and CDS?
sir, this I have given CDS one time
Okay.
and I've got one time. This is my first attempt.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what happened in CDS?
Sir, in CDS I have cleared. Sir, there is sectional cutoff, and but I could not perform well in GK section.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But I'm continuously working on it
Mm-hmm.
uh, to to improve myself
Okay. How you are improving your GK section?
with reading books and do, doing classes of online.
Okay. Tell me who all are in your family and their occupation, and what is your daily routine, and what type of relations you are having with your neighbor, and uh, whom do you take monetary help, and how much money, how you save your money, and also tell me how you spend your money. You may start.
Sir, there are 5 members in my family, including me, and my father is a farmer. Also, he has a shop, and my mother does sti- um, stitching work.
Okay.
Like sir, she's a tailor and
Mm.
also she managing all household works. and there I have two siblings, both are younger to me, and my sister is pursuing his graduation. My brother has recently passed his 12th class.
Okay.
And sir, okay, talking about my daily routine, I get up early in the morning around 5 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
and I got freshen up and make my bed. Then I go for walk and do yoga like anulom vilom, and then I came back to home. I take bath and take my breakfast. Then I go for studies, and in the evening I help my mother in household works and play with my friends, neighborhood friends, and I do worship and had dinner with my family and revise all the topics which I have read in the day, and then I go to sleep. This way my daily routine goes on.
Okay, fine, gentlemen. Now, tell me, uh, you have mentioned you play Kho.
Yes, sir. In this is like when I used to child, I play with my friends in school time,
Okay.
not on higher level, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, you have mentioned about Kabaddi.
Yes, sir. In school time, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, how many players are there in a Kabaddi team?
Kabaddi team.
Hmm.
So there are nine players, sir. In all
No.
sorts, sir. But I I'm not able to recall it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Tell me, who is the captain of Indian Kabaddi team?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. So, you have mentioned you play badminton.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, who is your favorite player in badminton?
Sir, I didn't don't watch it on mobile phone or TV. I usually play it with my friends, so I don't
Okay.
have any much knowledge about this.
Fine. You have mentioned you do cooking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you cook?
Sir, I can cook daily food, and sir, extra I can cook sir Chinese like pasta and South Indian dishes like uttapam. Recently I cooked uttapam at my home.
Okay.
Before 2 months ago.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have mentioned you do basic stitching.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you stitch?
Sir, as my mother is a tailor, I help her in basic stitching, sir. Like I can attach fal with sari, and I can attach buttons of shirt, and I also can turpai of suit.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, fine. Also, you have mentioned you have participated in Rangoli competition.
Yes, sir.
So, when you have participated in Rangoli?
Sir, during my school time, from 10th, 9th to 12th, and sometimes two times, sir, I participated in college Rangoli competition. Like, sir, uh, basic, sir, on the college basis competition.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, tell me which test you like the most out of Psych and GTO. Also, rate yourself in Psych and GTO out of 10. Also, tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses.
Sir, sir, I like GTO part in GTO part because uh, this uh, this helps me to remain fit,
Mm-hmm.
physically fit. And in psych, sir, I am a little weak, but uh, I do practice
Mm-hmm.
to improve
Okay.
it. Yes, sir. What is the next question, sir?
Next question is what are your strengths and weaknesses?
Okay, sir. Sir, as you can you can see that, sir, English is my weak area, but I continuously working on it to improve my English, because sir, it is necessary to communicate with people.
Hmm.
Uh, and my strengths are, sir, I'm disciplined
Hmm.
and I'm responsible, as I mentioned, sir, that I help my mother in stitching work and household works, and I do not give up I until I does my do my task complete.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you want to join Indian Air Force?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, who is the chief of Indian Air Force?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the motto of Indian Air Force?
I don't. I have. I,
Okay.
currently, I'm not able to recalling it, sir. But when I go to my room, I will read it again.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, how many commands are there in Indian Air Force? Okay, fine. Uh, Now tell me, why do you want to join Indian Air Force?
I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation, and it gives opportunity me to work in a disciplined and challenging environment. And also, I want to break the mindset that girls are not. This is not the uh, not a career option for girls.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Because sir, in my village, girls are still encouraging still discouraged to choose careers like Air Force and Army.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you are not selected this time, then what you will do?
I hope, sir, I, I will selected. But if I not selected, then I try again. I give my best to select in next time.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what are your alternate career goals?
Sir, alternate. I I can give SSC CGL because sir, it graduation level.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So, fine, lady, I asked you so many questions. Any questions you would like to ask me?
So, sir, repeat again.
Uh, I'm asking you, I asked you so many questions.
Yes,
Any
sir.
questions you would like to ask me?
Okay, cool, sir.
आपको कुछ पूछना है मुझसे?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me all the neighboring countries of India.
Sir, Pakistan
हाँ,
in the northwest, sir, Pakistan,
हाँ,
and in northeast, sir, China,
हाँ,
and in the south, Sri Lanka,
हाँ.
and Sri Lanka,
Yes.
and sir, in west, sir, Afghanistan.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, sir,
Okay.
Bangladesh, sir, Bangladesh in east.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about Nepal and Bhutan?
So, sir, Nepal also Nepal, Bhutan.
Yes. Okay. Who is the first field marshal of our country?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's all from my side. Any questions you would like to ask me? Okay. Thank you, lady, for coming, attending this interview. Interview is done now.